Hey guys, welcome back to Delft Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to disable WebRTC on Brave browser. So to do this process, first things first is you just simply open up the Brave browser into your computer, guys, and select your profile. Now, once you are here, you can just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And here on the three lines, you will have a pop-up and you can just simply go ahead and go for the gear icon or the settings down below. And from here, you will have an option as the privacy and security on the left side of the screen. So go ahead and click on it. And from here, you will have multiple options, and you will have here WebRTC IP Handling Policy. So just simply select default over here. As you can see, you will have multiple options. You could either go for the very first one, which is default, or go for the default public and private interfaces, or go for default public interface only, or disable non-proxied UDP. And of course, if you want to learn more about this, you can just simply select learn more over here, and it will redirect you to another tab, and you should be able to see everything about each one of them. As you can see over here, the contents of each settings that we have chosen earlier. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.